There it goes. Look at the lowering. Holy crap. That's pretty close to Topeka when you think about it. It's heading northeast. Oh, there's an epic big circulation now. Oh!
It's trees.
I know, the trees, just nice timing. We've spent 2 days out in the middle of nowhere in front of storms that were pathetic. Now we've got a tornado coming down. It's a forest. Why? Used Topeka Boulevard, it was saying. Forbes zipper. Do we know if this is the exit?
I don't know.
Sirens going. Topeka's worried, officially, with a gigantic wall cloud coming down over them. Uh-oh, that's about to touch down. Keeps doing that. We are several miles away and that wind is doing at least 30 knots into it. Oh boy, look at the circulation. Boy, oh 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 boy. Hopefully it doesn't put down until it gets on. Probably the fact that the circular two bits of interest are further apart probably means it's losing a little bit of its circulation.